Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the best door strike plate extenders available in the market, the adjustable strike plate for exterior doors. Are you tired of dealing with sticky or misaligned deadbolts? Whether you're a homeowner looking to enhance security or a property manager focused on tenant safety, this product is designed to streamline your door locking experience like never before. The adjustable strike plate is engineered for smooth deadbolt operation, accommodating both traditional and electronic locks. It's crafted from durable metal, ensuring longevity and security for your home. Say goodbye to frustrating lock jams. This strike plate ensures a smooth, hassle-free locking mechanism every time. Perfect for standard residential doors, it's a versatile choice for homeowners, locksmiths, and rental property managers alike. Designed to combat issues like misalignment due to temperature changes and wear, it optimizes the performance of both traditional and smart locks. What sets this strike plate apart is its dedication to convenience and security. It's not just about easing your daily routine but also about reinforcing your home's defense against potential intrusions. For those wondering about installation, fear not, it's designed to be user-friendly. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a first-time installer, you'll appreciate the straightforward setup. To put things into perspective, we can compare it briefly with other strike plates. Its unique design and material make it a standout choice for those seeking reliability and performance. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your door's security without breaking the bank, the adjustable strike plate for exterior doors is a solid investment. Whether for your own peace of mind or the safety of your tenants, this product delivers on its promise of smooth, secure locking every time. Interested in learning more or ready to enhance your home security? Check out the link in the description for more details and current pricing. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and informed with Product Critique.